Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is Azure, and this is the first video in my series of mastering in the Azure data engineering. So guys, basically what is Azure, and we are going to discuss about more way of Azure use cases also. So guys, basically Azure is a cloud platform known as computing platform created by Microsoft. It offers a wide range of services, including storage, compute, database, networking, and analytics. Businesses can use Azure to build, deploy, and manage application entirely in the cloud. Or they can integrate Azure with existing on-premise infrastructures. So that basically, it is created by the Microsoft, and with this Azure services, we can create, we can create a building an application, deploying the application, and manage the application. As well as apart from this, we can make that services including storage, compute, database, networking, and analytics. All kind of things we can do in the completely Azure. Apart from this, so if you want to integrate your on-premise infrastructure to Azure, you can also do it. Those kind of scenarios also. The Azure cloud platform is more than 200 products and cloud services and designed to help you bring new solutions to your life to solve today's challenges and create the future. Build, run, and manage application across multiple clouds on premises and edge with the tools framework of your choice. There are 600 services that fall under Azure umbrella, but broadly speaking, it is a web-based platform on which applications and services can be tested, managed, and deployed. So, guys, in Azure we have 200 products and cloud services help you, to fulfill your real-time solutions. And as well as if you have any challenges, also if you want to make better feature with help of using Azure, okay, so you can create all these things. And if you want to run and manage the application across the multiple clouds on premises, so with help of these frameworks in the Azure, we can achieve it. And apart from this, there are extended services which is comes under Azure, and it is like completely accessing via with help of web-based URL, and you can build, test it, and manage and deploy. So Azure is like, it is one kind of services which is also helps to build, test, manage the application. For example, for mobile application, you want to have enterprises related application, or you wanted that build a website, right? So those kind of all these things with help of Azure we can achieve it. And a wide range of Microsoft services has a, provided by the Azure basically software as services, platform as services, and infrastructure as services that can be hosted on the Azure. And Azure offers three core areas of functionality: virtual machine, cloud services, and app services. Okay. Now, here, just like it is one another slide, which is going to discuss Azure data services and overview. Azure data services offer components essential to manage your data in the cloud. They provide a wide range of functionalities from storing and managing data and analyzing it and extracting valuable insights. Here are the breakdown of the key areas where Azure data services can help you. In the main key areas is manage a database. Services like Azure SQL database provide fully managed relational database ideal for building cloud native applications or modernizing existing ones. These services handle tasks like patching, backup, and upgrades, freeing you to focus on your applications. Cloud scale analytics. So Azure offers powerful analytic tool working with big data. Synapse Analytics combine data warehouse, data integration, and big data analytics capability, allow you to centrally analyze large data sets. So guys, basically, if you want to focus on it, database kind of scenarios. So with help of Azure SQL database, it will fully manage a relational database. If you want to handle services like patching, backupping, and upgrade, you can focus on your application. And as well as it is helpful for the analytic related on cloud. So it means if you want to handle big data, so with help of Azure Synapse Analytics, we can combine data warehousing, data integration, and big data capabilities allow you to center and analyze large data set. Basically, like guys, if you want to, mostly data warehouse projects, it contain huge data sets and has a big data also. You want to combine and analyze those data, okay, which having a huge volume of data. So with help of this cloud scale analytic, known as Azure Synapse Analytics, you can achieve it. Additionally, Azure Data Lake Analytics provides support services for large data processing. So we have one Azure data lake with help of this one. We can, without using any server, okay, with serverless service, we can process large scale data processing. Azure offer various data store depending on your need. Azure Blob Store provide cost-effective solution for storing unstructured data like text, media, files. For structured data, like Azure Data Lake Storage Service. Okay, and this is about main thing, guys. Right now, we have to focus on data integration and data movement. So this is completely the Synapse Analytics and data integration, data movement, and it comes under the data engineering part. Okay, Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based ETL tool. It allows you to easily orchestrate and data movement and transformation between various data sets, both on premises and in the cloud. ADI provide visual interface for building pipelines, support wide range of data sources and destination. Okay. So with help of Azure Data Factory, we can make the cloud ETL services, guys. It means you can extract the data, transform the data, and load into target based on your requirement, and it helps to connect on-premises applications in the cloud. So data Azure offers variety storage of depending on unit. So like just like I has already discussed, so it is providing, you can store unstructured data, media files, guys. And Azure data storage is served as a central repository for your big data analytic workloads. And we have like, Azure data lake storage, ADL, Gen2, blob storage. These are all helps to you store structured, unstructured data. It can be cleared for the data engineering purpose or data science purpose and machine learning, or else you want to host some website files, right? We can use these blob storages, guys. And we have like business intelligence solutions also. Azure is integrated with the Power BI, popular business intelligence tool, allow you to create interactive dashboards or reports from your database. This helps you gain insights and make data-driven decisions. So benefits of Azure using Azure data services. Scalability. Cloud-based services provide ability to easy scale your data storage and processing resource up and down based on your needs. So we can easily scale up the resources, guys. For example, if you want to utilize up to this much of unit, so based on that, you can scale up and down as per your requirement need. Flexibility. Azure data services offer wide range of tools and services you need to meet your various data management requirement. So with Azure AWS, we have more than 600 plus services, right? So we can utilize based on our requirement, which tool we want so to meet our data management requirements. So we can utilize it. It is flexibility. Okay. Pay as you go pricing model helps to optimize costs by only paying the resource you are using. For example, you want to utilize only data engineering kind of thing. You don't want to go here for the other services. So just you can go particular services as per the pay as you go model. Security. Azure offer robust security feature to protect your data as rest and in transition. Overall, Azure data services provide a powerful, versatile platform for managing your data in the cloud. They offer variety of tools and services help you store, integrate, analyze, gain insights from your data. So this is about the overview of Azure, what is Azure, and overview of Azure data services. Thank you.